How's it going, everyone? Hope you don't think this video is going to be about the Festo Capex, because it's not. These are some of the placards we use on our job sites, and I kind of stole this idea from Zach Detmore with Detmore Home Improvements. Look him up on Instagram. He put up some really great stuff, and he's very, very conscious of communication and organization on a job site, which is what I really like about his channel, and this is why I watch him. So these right here, because if you've done remodels or construction enough in the past, you're going to have some miscommunication. You tell the customer, hey, we're going to put your diverter valve right here in your handheld sprayer, maybe right here on the shower, and then plumber comes in and he moves it where he normally moves it. Communication wasn't done very well, and now you're redoing work, and hopefully it's caught before the towel goes in, which it should be. But either way, it could be a disaster. Same way with gas, electrical switches if they're specialty items, even such things as where to place your porta johns or your dumpsters. There may be a reason a customer wants it some specific place, maybe due to access or parking or septic tank. So these signs right here will be laminated. Hopefully we'll get more than one use out of them. But that'll be for when the contractors come out to place a portable toilet, the dumpster, or even deliver materials. We'll have a stop either in the ground or on a stand with that sign stapled to it, so they know exactly where to put it. No miscommunication. Little things about closed access, using shoe covers on finished flooring. Sometimes we work in the basement, so there's no need for any contractor to go upstairs, so we'll close that door off and put a sign, hey, there's no contractor access. But the biggest thing that we really started using, we really appreciate, and we got these from Zach Detmore. This is a plumbing layout, so you circle which one it is. So it's a vanity, a 4-inch or an 8-inch spread, diverter valve, wall-mounted faucet, shower head, all the way down to even to other. You can write it in. You can mark whether this is a drain location or a water or a valve location, where it's measured from, and then of course this is the center. So we would staple this to the framing members. If it was, say, 15 inches from the right framing, we could put right here 15 inches on center from right framing. But this leaves no room for error. It's literally marked with a target on where the outlet or stub out is going to go. Here we have same thing for a gas outlet, what the appliance, the outlet size is measured from, and again where we want it stubbed out from. Here on our electrical layout, same thing. Is this box going to be vertical or horizontal? Most of the time they're going to be vertical, but every now and then due to room or certain circumstances, you might want the horizontal box, or maybe it's just a whip, like if it's a vanity light. You'll have the appliance volts, amps, hertz, and phase. Phase is almost always going to be single phase, but we put it on here just in case we do the occasional commercial site or light industrial where the phase may be a 3-phase. Is it a dedicated circuit? Yes or no? So we put all refrigerators, freezers on dedicated circuits. Is it on a switch? Yes or no? Sometimes you may want a certain outlet that's on a switch, which is kind of non-standard. So we do a placard, and what we would do, we'd have a placard for the box with a placard number, and then the switch location. Switch location we may put here, say near front entrance, see placard number 105. And where the switch would be located, we'd have placard number 105. So no room for error. You literally have the placard number. You come in there, find that placard number, you know exactly where the switch is going to be located. Box projection almost always will be 1/2 inch. Sometimes it's 5/8 or 3/4 if it's a firewall. Rare occasions it may be 1 inch or 3/8, depending on what kind of special covering we have on that wall, and if it's other. So we would normally staple this to our framing members. The bottom of this box, of this placard, would be the top of the box, and then we would circle whether it's to the left or to the right of this placard. Sometimes that would make sense just based on what it's stapled to the stud, but other times if you have a lot of framing or blocking, it might make a lot of sense to have these arrows, so we just put them on here. Again, we think this is a really great idea. Hopefully it will eliminate potential miscommunications for important items, and keep our jobs running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you.